Good morning, Skyhawk 3800 Sierra Papa on a 10 miles final 32.
Skyhawk 380 Sierra Papa Center Tower, verify you have mission uniform. Straight in runway 32, port 3 miles.
Confirm we have uniform and straight in 32, report 3 miles, 0 Sierra Papa.
Santa Rosa Tower, Cessna 7666 Golf is Healdsburg with uniform. Like to do a full stop.
Cessna 7666 Golf Center, time make left traffic, runway 32, report to midfield.
Left traffic 32, report midfield 66 Golf.
And Cessna 66 Golf, traffic mile off your left passing northwestbound, 3000 Cessna. Cap 453, traffic passing off your left, 3,400 feet, Cessna.
Rosa Tower, flight check 83 is 12 to the north, maneuvering for a left base runway 32, low approach.
Santa Rosa Tower 7666 Golf is midfield, left downwind 32.
Cessna 66 Golf, number 2, phone Cessna 3 mile final approach traffic in sight.
Roger that.
Flight check calling Center Star, saying in your numbers.
Flight check 83, about 10 to the north, maneuvering for a left downwind 32, low approach, flight check 83.
Flight check 83, make left traffic, runway 32, report midfield.
Flight check 83, will come. Tower 0, Sierra Papa, 3 miles final.
Swag 0, Sierra Papa, runway 32, clear line.
Clear to land, 32, 0, Sierra Papa.
Santa Rosa Tower 66 Golf has the other traffic in sight. I'm number 2 for 32.
This is 66 Golf, number 2, follow the Cessna, runway 32, clear line.
32, clear to land, 66 Golf.
Swag 0, Sierra Papa, turn right off 5, contact Alpha 9er.
Turn right Alpha 5, contact ground point 90, 0, Sierra Papa, thanks, good day.
Santa Rosa Tower, Cessna 4922 Golf at 32, ready for takeoff, request straight out.
Swag 4922 Golf, Center Star, hold short, runway 32, landing traffic.
Holding short of 32, 22 Golf.
Tower flight check 83 is now approach on runway 32 downwind.
Flight check 83, number 2, following Cessna short final, runway 32, cleared low approach.
Cleared low approach, runway 32 will be 35 foot over the runway to the departure end. Flight check 82.
Flight check 83, roger.
Tower flight check 83 is in the left base for runway 32, low approach.
Flight check 83, roger. Clear low approach, runway 32.
Cleared low approach 32.
Cessna 66 Golf, contact ground point niner.
Contact ground point 66 Golf. Thank you very much.
One north of the tower, Kaiser Air.
Thank you so much. Sure, Papa.
Santa Rosa ground 66 Golf is at Alpha 5. I'd like to taxi to the nearest run-up area, ideally.
Cessna 66 Golf, run right, taxi to the south, run up via Alpha. Just follow Cessna off your right.
South run-up by Alpha, follow the Cessna. Thanks. Fucking did it, son! Yeah!
Sonoma ground, Cliff 777 Zulu Yankee is back with you after taking care of some issues, and I guess I need to get a new clearance.
Cliff 7 Zulu Yankee, Santa Rosa ground, standby.
Oh yeah, much better. Had to pop them ears, son.
Intentional aircraft mission Victor is now current. Wind 310 at 7, altimeter 3009er. Eclipse 7 Zulu Yankee. I have pushed back your proposal time, so your flight plan's still in effect.
Okay, all right, I'll just keep the same clearance and squawk code for 7 Zulu Yankee.
7 Zulu Yankee, affirmative.
And ground, Eclipse 777 Zulu Yankee is ready to taxi from Kaiser with Victor.
Eclipse 777 Zulu Yankee, Santa Rosa ground, runway 32, taxi via Alpha 4, Alpha.
All right, 32 via Alpha 4 and Alpha for 7 Zulu Yankee.
Santa Rosa ground, Cessna 2082 Zulu North Coast. Taxi the active with Victor.
2082 Zulu, Santa Rosa ground, runway 32, taxi via Zulu, Alpha.
Via Zulu Alpha, taxi 3282 Zulu. I understand no closed pattern work for the next few hours.
282 Zulu, affirmative.
Thank you, ground, 82 Zulu.
Information available on flight service frequencies. Closed traffic unavailable between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. local time due to flight check operations. Advise on initial contact, Jeff information Victor. Santa Rosa Tower, information Victor, 1753 Zulu observation. Wind 330 at 7, visibility unrestricted, sky clear. Temperature 17, dew point 2, altimeter 3010. Visual approach, runway 32 in use.
Tower, hello again, Sky 3800, Sierra Papa holding short 32 at Alpha 6, ready for departure.
Track 380, Sierra Papa Center, Tower, runway 32, clear for takeoff, stay direction.
Rudder clear for takeoff, we would like to make a left crosswind departure, 3800, Sierra Papa.
Track 0, Sierra Papa, I'll call your left turn. For now, fly runway heading, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 32, clear for takeoff, 0, Sierra Papa. Tower, flight check 83, starting a 3-mile final for runway 02.
Flight check 83, runway 2, clear low approach.
Cleared low approach, runway 2, flight check 83.
Santa Rosa Tower, Cessna 7666 Golf is holding short of 32 at Alpha 6. I'd like to do a straight out.
Aircraft at Alpha 6, standby. Line 2595, traffic doing a low approach, runway 2 on a 2-mile final is a King Air. Number 2, runway 32, clear lane.
32, clear land, number 2, RS 2595.
Cessna at Alpha 6, say again your call sign.
7666 Golf.
Cessna 66 Golf, 7666 Golf, Center is turning, you said you wanted straight out?
Yes, please.
Cessna 66 Golf, hold short runway 32.
Hold short runway 32, 66 Golf.
Sky 0, Papa, left turn approved.
Left turn approved, 0, Papa.
Cessna 66 Golf, straight out departure is approved, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 32, 66 Golf. Thank you very much.
And Sonoma Tower, Eclipse 777 Zulu Yankee is ready, 32 at Alpha 6.
Eclipse 777 Zulu Yankee Center is Tower, hold short runway 32, landing traffic.
Holding short at 32 for 7 Zulu Yankee.
Flight check 83, say intentions.
We're going to fly out about 5 or 6 miles, and then we'd like to come in for a low approach runway 14 next. Flight check 83.
Flight check 83, roger, report inbound.
Will call, flight check 83.
Cessna 66 Golf, what's your destination?
It's going to be Ukiah for 66 Golf.
Cessna 66 Golf, roger. For traffic, turn to your right and fly to the east side of Highway 101. Remain on the east side of 101 for traffic departing runway 32 behind you until you leave Delta airspace.
Copy that. 66 Golf is turning right.
Eclipse 7 Zulu Yankee, runway 32, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff for 7 Zulu Yankee, runway 32.
Horizon Air 2595, if you didn't already receive it, cleared to land runway 32, traffic Eclipse departing Friday Bravo.
Clear land 32, Horizon 2595, thanks. 00 Papa, request frequency change. Tower flight check 83 is out. We're turning about, we're 4 miles out, turning for a 3-mile final runway 14 low approach.
November 00 Papa, approved as requested.
I just want to change frequency, 00 Papa.
Affirmative, approved as requested. Cessna 66 Golf, suggest heading 360 traffic at 11 o'clock is, correction, traffic at 7 o'clock is departing straight out off runway 32 behind you. Eclipse 7 Zulu Yankee, traffic 2 o'clock, 1 mile northbound, Cessna 2200 indicated.
All right, negative contact for 7 Zulu Yankee.
Flight check 83, traffic 1 mile final, landing runway 32 is a -8.
Flight check 83, copy that. Is it all right if we just do a 360 here? We're on about a 2-mile base for 14.
Flight check 83, approved as requested. There's traffic above and to your left climbing northbound out of 2600, just so you know he's there, no factor. 360 approved, and then we'll be able to get you into 14.
Flight check 84, we've got the traffic in sight, thanks.
Eclipse 7 Zulu Yankee, traffic no factor. Contact Oakland Center.
Oakland Center for 7 Zulu Yankee, thanks.
Cessna 66 Golf, traffic no factor. Resume on navigation.
Roger that for 66 Golf. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.